morning students. I am your new teacher, Dhanasri Done teacher. You get this live lessons or live class first time, so I will introduce myself. Now today we start our new lesson, crop production and management. You know about the crops and you are related to village, so it is not necessary to give you detailed information about it. Okay, in last standard also you get the information about this one. So we start our first lesson of crop production and management. Before that, this important points discussion. Before that, basic knowledge I will give you. In this chapter, we start agriculture means what, selection of seeds before sowing what, means all these important points they gave you in your textbook in starting only. Okay, so crop production. What is the need of crop production? It is important. And what is the need of management? It is important. What is the need of crop production? Why farmer sowing the different types of crops? Why farmer manage this crop material? Why farmer gave this crop what is the definition of crop in your textbook? It is given. I will rub this. I will write it or not? No, no need. It is in your textbook, so I will read it again. When plants of the same kind are grown in the cultivated in the farming, then it will be said to a crop. Means farmer sowing the seeds and it comes when it needs sunlight, it needs water, and it will be grow, and it is called as crop. Scientifically, the definition of crop, it will be given in your textbook. Again I will read it, you also read it, you study it. When plants of the same kind are grown and cultivated at one place means in the farming area, in the ground area, on a large scale, it is called as crop. Definition of crop. First crop. Okay, and then example they given wheat or sugar cane also you can take it. Example wheat in your textbook given, and I will tell you sugar cane. You know it. In which quantity sugar cane and wheat will be there? In Punjab wheat will produce, sugar cane in Maharashtra means quantity is more in Maharashtra, quantity is more in Punjab. So it is very important. Crop means what? You know it, but in large scale, in specific area, then it will be crop. In specific area means farming is there in that area only, and in large scale, wheat is in large scale, wheat in box only or in a specific tub only, it will be not grown. So then it will be said to be a crop. Then it will be said to be a crop, and it will be used in more and more quantity for all type of people. In 6th standard you learn it. Different peoples are there, different states are there, different soils are there, and depending upon these crops are there. So quantity is more, then it will be used. Then agriculture means main our important point. Second, agriculture. Agriculture means शेती, ज्याला आपण शेती म्हणतो. Agriculture, it is related to crops. Then what means the agriculture? Differently, agri and culture, it is differently we can see. First, where it comes from, this word, where it comes from, the word agriculture, it comes from Latin word. Latin word agar. Which one? Agar. Agar means field, and cultura means care. And cultura